Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2010 D40 Nissan Navara. This shape ran from the 9th month 2005 to the 8th month 2015. This vehicle sustained damage to the right hand side. This vehicle is fitted with a D40 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a four-wheel drive manual transmission. We have the bonnet, it appears to have no damage. Have a bull bar, right hand headlight, left hand headlight. Left-hand front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Left-hand power door mirror. There's a left-hand front door. Left-hand rear door. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate, right hand tail light, has a tidy rear bumper, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre, right hand power door mirror, 17-inch factory alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre, right hand front guard, this vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior, has a tidy centre console lid, tidy automatic transmission centre console, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC, climate controls, factory 6-stack CD player, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy interior courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, has an automatic transmission instrument cluster, has a tidy grey leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.